Hello everyone, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to help you with something that we have never discussed. If you are a fashion enthusiast, then this video is definitely for you. Today we are going to discuss some fashion investments that you must make, and they are going to last you for a lifetime if I think so. Now, there are some classics, there are fads, and there are trends. You must understand the difference between them. There are classics, which are the things which can never go out of fashion, like a white shirt, black trouser, a nice classic bag, and then there are fads. Fads are fashion trends which come and go within a month or two. Before you invest in any fad, make sure you wait and watch and see if that lasts or not. And then we have the trends. Trends last at least 3 to 4 seasons, and today we are going to talk about 4 fashion investments that you must make to look absolutely fashionable and stylish, and these are a mix of classic and trend. So remember, while I'm telling you to invest in them, I am pretty certain that these are not going to go out of fashion anytime soon. So let's talk about the first investment that you must make, and this has to be my favorite, a nice and fun blazer. Now, blazers are no more a thing of corporate wear alone, and I cannot emphasize this enough. Now these have come down in the street, and they can be worn casually, they can be worn semi-casually, and people are wearing them to parties as well. They define power and classiness all together in one. So my urge and my bet has to be investing in a blazer, and like I said, this is not going to go out of fashion anytime soon. Now there are different type of blazers in the market. There is double-breasted, there is short, there is long. If I have to recommend you one, I would say understand what is your requirement and go ahead with it. If you're somebody who wants to create a more elongated illusion and want to cover your stomach, then go for double-breasted, but remember, let this be open and wear it more casually and in a fun manner. However, if you are looking to create more structure, then go for single-breasted, or even you can opt for something like this, which is open, doesn't have button, and it looks absolutely chic and fun. If you are a newbie at investing at blazers, I would tell you to go ahead and buy a black, white, beige, or a navy, so that you create the best team player in your wardrobe and can be worn with several things at several times. Moving on to the investment number 2, and this has to be my favorite by far. Now, even though this investment might seem like a classic, but the color has come back, and how. Now, we all are listening about the old money aesthetic and whatnot. So if one color that can absolutely make you look sophisticated has to be tan color. So if you really want to invest in something which is tan, please get yourself a well structured and a well curated bag with a medium size. Not only it is going to be very functional, it can last you for literally a lifetime if you maintain it well. I love structured bags, and if one thing that I can definitely tell you to add is structured bag in tan color. Moving on to your investment number 3 for the year 2023 and 24. Wide leg trousers. They're a huge rage, and when I say that they're going to last, I mean it. Not only they are comfortable, flowy, but they add sophistication to any of your outfits. Like I mentioned about blazers, that they are not only for corporates, so are your trousers. No more you wear your trousers only to your office. They have also come out in the streets, and they can be casually worn effortlessly. Now let's see how I have styled my trousers. I have worn them with a nice crop top and a waistcoat, giving it a more semi-casual look. Now if you want, you can also pair it up with a shirt, with a t-shirt, and even pair it up with sneakers. And of course, when you want to go to your office, you can add a crisp blazer and a nice shirt, and you are ready for your presentation. Moving on to the last investment, and again one of the most favorite and comfortable for everybody. Yes, the sneakers. Now sneakers have come a long way, from wearing shoes to only gym and for athletic activities to wearing them with your casual outfits. I think this is a must-have in your wardrobe. You can choose the style, the color according to your comfort. There is a variety which is available out there. You can choose it for your budget, your style. They are the best bet when it comes to looking stylish and comfortable. So if you want to invest in some fashionable yet classic item, I would suggest go ahead and get yourself the right sneaker. Always remember, there's a difference between lifestyle sneaker and athletic shoes. Athletic shoes or gym wear shoes can be worn to gym or even for your hiking activities, whereas your lifestyle sneakers or shoes can be worn with your everyday clothing. These are my 4 picks when it comes to investing in the right pieces in 2023 and 24. Starting with number 1, blazer. Number 2, a structured tan bag. Number 3, wide leg trousers. And number 4, fashion sneakers. These are your best pieces to invest because they are not only going to last you for a very long time, but they are stylish and they will absolutely make you look effortless. I really hope you liked this video, because if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and share it with all your friends. And if you really liked it, then I'm going to recommend you the next video to watch. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.